Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies, Taurus, for your relationship and career situation, guys. I'll be picking one card each. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Taurus. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies. We have King of Wands, Ten of Swords in reverse, and the Hangman. So Taurus, it may be in your career situation or relationship. You are someone who is really skilled, talented. You have or you know what will work or the right way of doing things. So you have your talents and skills helping you, guys, and you are someone who is really confident and you are the source of inspiration to the people around you. So your cheerfulness is simply what to say is simply making you really attractive and people really feel cheerful. It is something like a contagious thing, your cheerfulness, and they become cheerful when they are with you. So you are a happy person, friendly person, helping others, supporting others. And today in your situation, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you have a lot of things going on in your mind. You have faced a lot in your life, sacrificed a lot, overcome a lot of difficult situation, and you have clarity in your heart. You have a clear understanding. But whatever it is, there are certain things you are not clear about. So some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will work or what will be the right thing. So some kind of doubt or confusion. You are right on the wall. You don't know which way to go or what to decide. So it may be some important decisions in your career situation, guys, or some important choices in your personal life. But you need not worry, guys. I also see that some kind of positive changes are coming in your life. Maybe you have this difficult circumstance in your career or a difficult circumstance in your relationship. You need to make the right choice, but you are in a very advantageous position today and you will make the right choice. You need not worry, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have mending. So with this card, it just means that if we want to change the way things are in this relationship, maybe make amends or heal from the past, heal from the arguments. Maybe you are in a separation away from this person. You want to move on forward positively, guys. So this is the time you have to forgive and forget this person, forget all their mistakes and move forward. Maybe try to forgive yourself for the mistakes you did, forgive the other person for whatever they have wronged you. So that is the only way to heal from the wounds that you have in your heart, guys. So this is the time for you to make amends. Maybe this may be your energy or their energy. So maybe this person wants to make amends to you or you want to make amends to them, guys. So let's see what is the card for your, that may be the difficult choice you are making today, guys, Taurus. So you don't know how to move forward, heal from the past situation, guys. So for your career, it is observer. So you have to just have a clear assessment of your career situation, then make the decisions. So this is not the time for action. This is the time for clear thinking and clarity, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.